Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm very excited today because it's unboxing day. I ordered a 3D printer 2 days ago and it arrived really quickly. And we're gonna open this bad boy up and have a look. So here we go. So, we've clearly got the base, I think, or the plate that it's made of, and a lot of polystyrene. Let's get into it. This here must be the nozzle. You can see the nozzle there. Clearly see the nozzle. Not sure what this is. Guess we will find out. I'm really hoping there are instructions. As you can probably tell from the commentary, this is my first 3D printer. Hopefully I won't break anything. In here we have some cable ties, a plug, not sure, a cable, some screws, and some tools. I know what this is. It's the PLA cord, 250 grams polylactic acid, and it's red. This is what the filament we'll be using to start with, and what makes all of the stuff.
And now the big stuff.
This must be one of the up points. You can see the two stepper motors here. They twist a certain amount, a known amount, and when they twist, that drives this up and down. And this here is the base. This is where everything happens. This here's the stepper motor, which controls the main plate. This is the screen, on-off switch, and standard kettle plug. This here is the axle that the reel of PLA goes on, and this here is what actually extrudes the plastic. That there is the nozzle. It's brass. You might be able to see there's a little hole just by my thumb, and that's where the plastic comes out of. If you have any comments, please leave them below. Next time we will be assembling. Thanks for watching.